Today's Hukamnama is a blessing from Sachkhand Shri Harmandir Sahib. Hukamnama appears in Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj on Ang 654. Today's Hukamnama is composition of Bhagat Kabir Ji, who used to be a cotton weaver, very lowly profession. People didn't give him respect in the society. He was downtrodden. But how, being dedicated to the Creator Lord, he became renowned in the whole world. Kabir Sahib had so much respect, so much honor, that Kabir Sahib's Bani, Kabir Sahib's Shabads, Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj so much honor that included Kabir Sahib's Shabad in Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj. This is the benefit when you dedicate your life to your Creator. In today's Hukamnama, Kabir Sahib basically sends us the alarm, the warning that our life is passing away. Life was meant to reach our Creator. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy every moment of your life. But you can enjoy it when you are focused on your Creator. When you have only one objective on top of your job list, that is to meet Vaheguru, to serve Vaheguru, to serve the creation. Here, a lot of people complain about the relationship, that my partner is not looking after me. I'm not happy. But if you change your thinking, you start thinking, how I can make my partner happy, then you will be happy. Our expectations are too high. We always expect other people to make us happy. But if we change our thinking and we always think, how I can make my partner happy, then you will be happy. Simple theory. This life is very precious. We have to lead this life in total bliss. And that is only possible if priority is our Lord. Tud chit aaye maha ananda. Vaheguru, when I remember you, I am in Anand. I have no worries. But worries only come when I forget you. When I forget you. I create enemies when I don't have your protection. Lakh 84 medni sab sev karanda. The 8.4 billion species, they serve me when I dedicate my life to you. So if we lead our life selflessly, life will be full of anand. So today, Kabir Sahib warns us. Kahe bhaiya firto fulya fulya. Oh my brother, why you are going around absolutely puffed up in pride? You are proud of your body, your belongings, your possessions, your relatives, your profession, your job. Remember, you have forgotten Vaheguru. Vaheguru, who kept you alive in mother's womb. When you were in mother's womb, upside down, your face was pointing down and your feet were pointing up. And that lasted for 10 months. Jab 10 maas urd mukh rehta. 10 means 10, maas means months. When for 10 months you were upside down in mother's womb, so din kaise bhulya? How come you have forgotten that day? It means we were conscious Everyone is conscious when the soul, when that body is in mother's womb. Gurbani reveals that. Maat garab mein apan simran de, teh tum rakhan hare. In mother's womb, soul was praying to Vaheguru, I'm on my own. There is no one around me to save me. Please protect. This time, in human life, I will behave. But now when you are born, you look at the material, look at the Maya, you are so tempted, you forget that promise you made to Vaheguru. So Kabir Sahib reminds us, look at your body, it's so fragile. You know, in the cars as well, you have the airbags on the steering. This body, when you look at the body, is so fragile. Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Maharaj describes this body as a bubble on the water surface. It can pop up anytime. Little blow and there is a damage to the body and people die. Body is very fragile. So Kabir Sahib says, Jab jariye tab hoye pasam tan, rahe kiram dal khai. Remember, this is the reality of life. When the body is going to perish, it will be burnt. Jariya. Jariya means jaliya, jalana, to set fire. It will become pasam, it will become ashes. And all those kiram, little worms, will eat this residual body. Now it seems like it's very frightening, but it's just a warning. Kachi gagar neer part hai, iya tan ki eh badai. You think this body is great, you are going to live forever. That's not the truth. Like if you put water in the clay pot which hasn't been baked, the water is going to make that pot soft and make it break. That's how the body is. It's getting old. People put, anti-aging creams. They have anti-aging vitamins to keep their body absolutely youthful. But Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj in Gurbani describes that you are trying very hard. Je jarwana par hara, jarves karendi aiya. Jar means old age. Par hara means try to keep it away. If you try to keep the old age away, you have anti-wrinkle cream to put on your face. Your old age will show through your knees or through your bodies. Kande na loki gode dukhde hain. Somehow old age will show. So wake up. When you have football match. In the football match, you have 90 minutes to play the game. If you extend the time to 4 hours, it gets boring. So in 90 minutes, team has to score the goal to win. Similarly, this life is limited span. In this lifespan, we have to score the goal. What is that goal? To have that feeling of kindness and compassion towards all living beings. Towards all living beings, animals, birds, human beings, your brothers, sisters, your friends, your neighbors. Daya jane ji ki kich pun daan kare. Have compassion and daya on everyone and give some charity. So that is the goal we have to score. Jin prem kiyo tin hi prab payo. Then Kabir Sahib warns us that you are accumulating the wealth like honey bee. Travels from flower to flower, collects the honey and stores in the web. But one day, person looking for the honey takes all that honey away. Similarly, people put the money in the Swiss bank so they can hide their black money, get more interest. When they pass away, all the money is left in the Swiss bank. Utilize your money. At least give out 10% of your earning. One of the 3 golden rules. Daswand kaddo apni. So that way you will prosper more and more in your life. Then Kabir Sahib describes that when body is dead, the wife comes to the door of the house, is absolutely devastated. It can be anyone. Relatives and friends take the body to the cremation grounds. But the soul has already flown away on its own. Pragat lo sab lo peo, aage Hans akela. Hans means soul. Akela means on its own. The soul has gone to Vaheguru's court for the judgment on its own. There is no one with that soul, not even the wife, not even the family. Kahat Kabir suno re prani, pare kaal gras kua, jhoothi maya aap bandaya, jio nalni bhram sua. Like you are stuck in the maya so much, like a parrot. Parrot, because of the greed, gets caught in the cage. Initially, the gate of the cage is open, and there is some food which is left hanging inside. Parrot flies into the cage, tries to grab the food. Because of that pressure, the gate closes, and the parrot is trapped. Similarly, Kabir Sahib is warning us that you are getting trapped in the materialistic temptations and pleasures. Wake up. This is an alarm for you. Your body is beautiful. This life is precious. Deh kodi ji, jit har paya Ram. This body is like a kodi, a horse. You can ride and climb on it and get to Vaheguru. Vaheguru has given you ears to listen to the praises of Vaheguru. Vaheguru has given you tongue to meditate and recite and chant glorious praises of the Creator. Why don't you do that? Vaheguru has given you eyes so you can look at the needy and help them, support them. Why don't you do that? Don't waste your time. But right in the end, there's a positive message. How long does it take to unite with Vaheguru? Bhagat Farid ji describes in the Bani. Aaj milawa Sheikh Farid. You can meet Vaheguru today, now. Takam kunjadiyan mano michandadiyan. If you can restrain your bird-like feelings and desires which are causing disturbance in your mind, you can meet Vaheguru today. Aaj milawa Sheikh Farid. Balehari Gurapane. Deohari Sadwar Jin Manas te Devte kiye Kart na lagi war. Dhan Dhan Guru Granth Sahib Maharaj and the Bani of Dhan Dhan Guru Granth Sahib Maharaj enables us to meet Vaheguru in a second, in a moment. So let's do that. Alarm is on, wake up. Pulha chokha di maafi, pyar na fateh sanji karni ji. Vaheguru ji ka khalsa, Vaheguru ji ki fateh.